How to extract auto caption in CapCut into text file. So if you want to extract caption from your CapCut into text file, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open up now your video, your CapCut, so now here is my audio that I want to get the text file for it. So the next thing to do, if you have many clips on your timeline that has audio, I will advise you to go and hide them all. So let's say you have different clips on your timeline and they have audio sound effect on them, go and hide them all. After you hide them all, then you leave only the video or the audio that you want to get the text file from it. The next thing to do, you go to Caption. After you hide them all, then select the language for the audio. After you select the language, then you click on this generate button. So now it will start generating your caption. So after you finish generating your caption like this, so the next thing to do, now here is the audio. So now here is my audio, here is my text. So the next thing I could do now, I'll go to this option, caption. So after you go to the caption section, now select all the audio and then go to caption. Now here is the caption. So the next thing to do now, if you want to copy all the text file, you just click on one of them like this and then copy it. So just you can use just your keyboard, Control C on your keyboard, Control Z. Just Control plus C on your keyboard if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, option from C plus C, and then you copy it. After you copy it, then you go to your notepad. Just open a notepad on your Windows. So after you open a notepad like this, then you just paste in the text inside your notepad. So let's say I want to use this notepad. I want to use this one. So I'll go to new text and then I'll paste the text like this. So you can just follow the process just to copy them all. So I'll go to next one, Control C on my keyboard or Option C, and then go to the text and then paste it at the bottom. So like this. So you can follow the process to copy all the text in your caption. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.